I'm a professional photographer while my husband Vaibhav is an investment banker. Sometimes I feel like we are roommates. He comes home at night and I leave for my shoot every morning. We couldn't even have a meal together in the last 3 years. I had reached a stage where I wanted to move forward and experience motherhood. एक दिन वैभव ने भी बातों बातों में इस टॉपिक के ऊपर बात की. I was glad that this urge was mutual. We stopped using protection and started trying. Both of us were really excited to start this new phase of our life. और अब जब सब कुछ ठीक था, somehow something wasn't working out. We were unsuccessful for 2 months. And that's when I came across Aino that helped me know my ovulation dates and plan better. And then what? I was just waiting for my magic week. But as it is said, nothing comes easy. उस दिन वैभव को अपने कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए ज़्यूरिक जाना पड़ा. And I was upset because I would have had to wait another month for my next magic week. But that's when my phone rang and I got this offer for a photo shoot in Europe. I somehow convinced my client to shoot it in Zurich. And there I was. Such a coincidence. I always used to think that it's our work that keeps us away from each other. But this time our work brought us together. And soon after, I got pregnant. Today, I'm a mother of a beautiful little girl, Inara.